morning, everybody. Teri Hart is here to warm us up with some lovely news about La La Land.
Yes, well, it's actually La La Land and the Grammy Awards. Oh, a faux leaked document of this year's winners. It's not true.
Yeah.
It's all fake. We're not going to find out who the winners of the Grammys are until Sunday, February 10th, happening right here on City TV.
But what if that list is right, though?
Well, then, but I don't think it is. I mean, people are always desperate around award season to break the myth and, you know, or break the secrecy. And
I don't get it. That's half the fun, though.
Why come up with this fake list, though? This is the first time I've ever heard of this. Why even do it?
Well, we've seen it for other things of people saying, oh, here's who's going to win and stuff. But I just don't believe it's true. These are really kept under lock and key, and especially after the debacle at the Oscars a few years ago. I think all these award shows have their accountants when we see them walk out. You know, it's very serious, these wins. And also, it says that Cardi B is going to win Record of the Year and Gaga is going to win Song of the Year. But I just don't think that's right, because I know Drake's going to win one of those categories.
I hope he wins
Our Sixth God. Our Sixth God has to win one of those categories, I think.
So we'll wait and see how right or wrong that list was.
It's a bit like ruining Christmas,
kind
of, right?
I don't know why anybody wants to...
Just wait until the night.
Yeah.
Well,
anyway,
somebody would just fabricate it.
Because it's fun.
Right.
Yeah, well, the Academy is saying there's absolutely no legitimacy to it. Okay. So we don't have to worry about it.
Which means Cardi B and Gaga are not winning any of... No, it doesn't mean
Drake is.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
It's in a vault.
So I know we've talked about face tattoos on the show before.
It's become more popular.
It's quite
don't
popular.
Understand it, but
Post Malone has made it very popular. Well, now
Always Tired is tattooed on his face.
Yeah, we're going to see him at the
the
Grammy
bags
Awards.
under my eyes say too. Always tired.
I don't know if I need ink to prove that. And well, a 25-year-old New Zealand singer by the name of Kelsy Karter, she had Harry Styles' face tattooed on her face.
Wow.
This is not temporary. This is permanent?
It looks very real to me. It looks to me like it still has that redness to it.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
I cannot understand why anybody would do this.
Wow,
Can you?
That is commitment.
Well,
how cheeky.
I mean, she has how cheeky.
Sorry,
I like it.
Sorry, crickets.
She has said she has anointed herself the female version of Harry Styles, and she really wants to work with him. I don't know.
Is she any good?
I don't know
or
if
who
that's
is
the way
she?
to go about it. Like, I'm willing to tattoo you on my face.
To work with you.
And have you heard her at all, or any of her songs?
I haven't.
Any of her music? Is she any good?
I haven't. I can't comment on her musicality.
It's
I can only comment
exposure,
on her tattoo choice, which I think is crazy.
That's terrifying to me. As somebody who has no tattoos, I can't even imagine having something that big on your face.
On your face.
Yeah.
Because if you do change your mind or your love for all things Harry Styles or whatever, it's permanent.
Yeah.
Unless you get it lasered off, which is painful and expensive.
Yeah,
it doesn't really look like him.
Well, it looks like, I mean, as much as a tattoo can look like a person on somebody else's face, I mean, there are a lot of levels there that she's asking us to go for. Anyway, she's getting a ton of attention. I'm going to try and find her music and see if she sounds any good.
And what do you got coming up later?
Coming up later, we're going to talk to Taraji P. Henson in a comedic role. It's very fun, and she was delightful to talk to.
Looking forward to it.
Thanks,
Let's
guys.
head upstairs to Tam.